I kept seeing Turbo AI everywhere. Same promises, same big words. Faster, smarter, all in one. And every time I see that, I pause. Because I've been burned before. So instead of trusting the hype, I decided to actually use it. Step 1. Why I tried Turbo AI. I wasn't looking for another AI toy. I wanted something that could genuinely save time. Writing, ideas, small tasks. Turbo AI claimed it could do all of that faster than most tools. Cool. But claims are cheap. Step 2. First impressions. When I logged in, my first thought was, okay, this is clean. Not confusing, not overwhelming. That's already better than half the tools out there. But a nice interface doesn't mean much if the output is bad. Step 3. Actually using it. I tested real stuff. Writing, summaries, quick ideas. Some outputs were surprisingly solid. Others felt rushed, like the A, I gave the first answer and moved on. That's when it clicked. Turbo AI isn't trying to be perfect. It's trying to be fast, and sometimes fast is good. Sometimes it's sloppy. Step 4. What I liked and what I didn't. What worked? Speed, simple prompts, decent results for basic tasks. What didn't? Inconsistent quality, still needs editing, not great for deep or complex work. If you expect polished, ready to publish output every time, you'll be disappointed. Step 5. Who Turbo AI is actually for. Turbo AI makes sense if you want quick drafts, quick ideas, and quick answers. It's not for people who want deep thinking or perfect output. Think of it as a shortcut, not a replacement. Final thoughts. So, is Turbo AI all hype? Not really, but it's not magic either. Used the right way, it saves time. Used the wrong way, it feels average. Lower your expectations, use it as a helper, and it starts to make sense. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.